When I joined Harbor Freight, we didn't have a lab, and so the first job was to really set up a state-of-the-art facility, a lab that we could test all the Harbor Freight products.
I like to say this lab sits sort of in the crossroads of innovation and quality. We not only are concerned about how well our products can last in the field and how they perform in the field, but also are we staying on the leading edge of technology and offering our customers that same performance that other brands can offer them in other stores.
We can have ideas and thoughts that are on the computer, and we can take those ideas and thoughts and put them into reality with our 3D printers that we have at this facility. So we can feel, we can make sure the ergonomics are good. We can make sure that it's got the right size to allow the customer to access awkward and small spaces.
The great thing about Harbor Freight is our business model. We don't have anybody in between to mark up prices like the competition does. And so we can invest in the quality of our tools because it's from our factories right to our own retail stores.